Hey, it's Chris. I'm gonna work on this engine here in the garage. It's chilly and I have no heat in the garage. Exactly. So I picked this guy up. Check this out. Backwards. There we go. Decent heater. Sweet little keypad. I just unboxed this thing. I have no idea how well it's gonna work. I just kept seeing ads for them on Facebook, and so I decided to pick one up, see if we can throw some heat in this garage. Let you know how it goes. By the way, on their ads, it literally shows people using them in their cars, and I can't imagine that somebody put this diesel-powered heater in their car to stay warm. But here it is in the instruction manual. Wow. The heater is mainly installed in the passenger room or baggage room of the vehicle. If it cannot be installed, fix the heater under the underside of the vehicle, but beware of splashing. What in the China is going on here? Installation diagram. Okay, let's get to work on this thing. Hope I got more than just picture instructions. Literally must be made to work for any car. The power supply is 12 volts, 15 amps, with a fuse on it, as if you're in the car. So, how the heck are we gonna make this work in the garage? I guess I need a 12 volt supply of some sort. Oh my gosh, this is the exhaust pipe, and this is the muffler. Look at that little baby muffler. There's the sweet muffler unboxed. Oh my gosh. Be a glass pack straight through. Where am I supposed to get one of these guys? I need 12 volts. And I have to hook it up to my car. I do have some 12 volt DeWalt battery here. Thinking about how we can make that work. Doesn't really sound like a good idea. All right, I've got the muffler on, the exhaust pipe, and the air intake. It really looks like Dr. Seuss invented this thing. Well, it shows the exhaust pipe coming out the front and the air intake pipe coming out the back. But there's no place for the exhaust pipe to come out, and when it's attached like that, then we're in a set level. So what is up?